Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh and home to over 20 million people. The city has long struggled with traffic jams, population, and overcrowded roads. To solve those problems, the government lances a dream project, the Dhaka Metro Rail. The Metro Rail is a modern elephant train system that runs on electricity. It is fast, quiet, clean, and eco-friendly. This system will help people travel across the city in less time and with less stress. The first metro line, called MRT Line 6, started operation in December 2022. It connects Uttara with Motijheel, passing throughout areas like Mirpur, Farmgate, and Shabak. Eventually, it will run up to Kamlapur railway station. The metro rail uses advanced Japanese technology and automatic systems. Trains are fully air-conditioned, have comfortable seating, and offer automatic ticketing. Security cameras and train staff ensure passenger safety. Before the metro, it often took 1 to 2 hours to cross the city. Now, people can make the same journey in just 20 to 30 minutes. This not only saves time but also boosts productivity and quality of life. Metro trains produce less noise and pollution than car and buses. They reduce fuel consumption and protect the environment. This is a big step towards a greener Dhaka. In the future, Dhaka will have multiple metro lines covering more areas. There are plans to expand the network to connect important locations like Purbanchal, Gabdoli, and Sodorghat. This will make Dhaka a modern, smart city. The Dhaka Metro Rail is not just a train, it is a symbol of progress and hope. It changes the how people travel, live, and dream. This is a new chapter for the people of Dhaka, moving forward together. The Dhaka Metro Rail is more than just a train. It is a proud achievement for Bangladesh, built with international friendship and national dedication to our people. It brings state and comfort to the earth. It shows that Bangladesh is moving forward, fast, modern, and united. Welcome to the new phase of Dhaka. Welcome to the future. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.